Let's start with panels and spaces. In the free and light versions, you will find only one panel, but in the basic version, there are three. Also, in each panel, you can create 3 spaces. In free version, you have only one space available to you. To create a space, you can either click a button here, let's say space 1, or, for example, clicking on the panel menu, create space, space 1. You have now spaces on the panel. Let's say create space, space 2, and space 3. Now you can choose between spaces. There is no layout yet, so nothing changes, but when we add the layout, you will see each space can have a different layout. And as you can see, you can't create space anymore. You have already 3 spaces. To delete a space, you should choose the space you want to delete. For example, let's say space 3. And in the panel menu, click delete space. After confirmation, space is deleted and you're back to first space available to you. You are left with 2 spaces.